masala, I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and peeled. Put the boiled potatoes into a bowl. Now I'm going to mash it. You can use a potato masher or a heavy ladle to mash the potatoes. To this I'm going to add a few vegetables, starting with 1 medium carrot that's been finely chopped, half capsicum finely chopped. Next add 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 50 grams of grated paneer. Next add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Season it with salt. I'm adding half teaspoon. Add crushed pepper. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything together. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to shape the masala into oval patties. So there you go. So once you've made an oval shape, I'm going to gently insert the stick. You can adjust the size according. I'm going to make a slurry using corn flour and maida. For this I've taken 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon maida. Add a pinch of salt, some pepper, add a little water and mix it. Mix it until it's completely dissolved. Coat the lollipops with the slurry. Cover the coated lollipops with breadcrumbs and set it aside. Next I'm going to make a sauce for the lollipops. For this take 1 teaspoon of oil. To this I'm going to add finely chopped garlic 1 teaspoon, finely chopped ginger 1 teaspoon. To this add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped capsicum. This is to just give a little flavor to the sauce. To this add 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon vinegar, add some water. To this I'm going to add a slurry of corn flour to just thicken the sauce. It's about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to season it with a little pepper. Turn off the stove and we'll keep the sauce aside. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently drop the lollipops into the hot oil. Fry it on medium flame till you get a nice golden brown color. So there you go, here are these delicious vegetable lollipops. It's a great finger food and a great starter. So you can try it and enjoy it. Best served hot, so as soon as you make them, Make sure you serve them immediately and enjoy it with some nice sauce by the side. For the crispy wedges, first I'm going to make a batter. For this I've taken half cup of corn flour and half cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. I'm going to season this with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, freshly ground pepper, mix everything together. Gradually pour water and mix it nicely till you get a nice thin batter. I usually prefer using a whisk to mix these batters because using a whisk prevents lumps and you can get a nice smooth batter. Starting with 1 potato that's been thinly sliced and cut into half, 1 small carrot that's been cut up. You can see I've cut everything in slices. It's nice and thin. Half green capsicum cut into wedges, half red capsicum cut into wedges, half yellow capsicum cut into wedges, 4 baby corn pieces cut into half. I've taken 1 cup of cauliflowers that's been washed. Pour the batter over the vegetables. I'm just going to mix everything till it's all well coated with the batter. Now I'm going to deep fry the vegetables. Drop the coated vegetables into the hot oil and deep fry them till they are golden brown in color. Next I'm going to make the sauce for the veg crispies. Take a wok or a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, spring onion whites chopped. To this add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of SCHEZWAN sauce. To this add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. This is optional. If you like it nice and spicy, you can add. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Adjust the quantity of sauce depending on the amount of vegetable crisps you have. Now I'm going to start slowly adding the vegetables to the sauce. Toss the vegetable crisps with the sauce. Finally garnish it with some spring onion greens. Turn off the stove. Veg crispies are done. They're absolutely delicious and makes for a great starter. Now this is one starter that's loaded with flavors because of all the spicy sauces coated in it, and it's a hit both with kids and adults. So it's a must try recipe, so do try and enjoy it. So I have about 400 grams of baby corn that's cut up into small pieces. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Maida. And 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Season this with a little salt and pepper. So I'm just going to toss everything together. I'm just going to pour a little water. So now all the baby corn pieces are coated with the Maida corn flour mixture. Set this aside, heat some oil for deep frying the baby corn pieces. Gently drop the baby corn pieces into the hot oil. Once the baby corn is fried to a nice golden brown color, remove them and keep them aside. Take a pan, add a little oil, add a little garlic, a little ginger, Add 1 medium-sized onion wedges, half capsicum cut into wedges, next add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So I'm using a light soy sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, to this add a few spring onion whites. So we've made a sauce for the baby corn Manchurian. Now add the fried baby corn. You can see it's coating the vegetable beautifully. Once it's all completely coated, add a few spring onion greens. Turn off the stove and season it with some freshly ground pepper. So adding to all the other Manchurian dishes that I have done, here is another Manchurian dish, that's baby corn Manchurian, which kids will definitely enjoy. It's a great starter, so make sure you serve it hot. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.